Gaffa.
Fine and you.
How are you, Mr. Gaffa?
Hey, me, I'm okay. But I'm not okay as such as possible.
Why are you not okay, Mr. Gaffa?
Hey, things are down. Things are down. I can't wait to make more man. Me when I need man. When I work, there is no job.
Are you not going to Magaba these days?
These days I'm going. Every day I'm going. But there is nothing.
Are you sure, Mr. Gaffa?
Sureless. There is nothing.
Okay. What is happening there?
Because police is coming. Fight for us. No work. Stop working in this area. Go at work. Me, I can't go to home when I not get man. I need more man.
Because if you can't go there, you stay here, you will starve, right?
I go struggle and die.
So it's better for you to go there and hustle there, mingle there.
Yeah.
So that you can get something.
I must go every day. One day is for me. I must get something.
So today did you go?
Yeah.
How much did you come with today?
This bondies. This bondies. 10 bonds.
These bondies.
These bondies. I don't have US.
You want USDs?
Yes.
You don't want bondies.
Hey, bondies, hey, long trench. I can't buy anything when I get bond.
You can't even buy cooking oil.
I can't buy it.
Or even millimil. To cook sadza.
Millimil, I got it. Millimil. Maize.
How about your project that you told us that you want to do a project of selling clothes and stuff?
In this time I'm trying to buy that clothes and buy it and sell it.
Do you have the clothes?
Clothes? I go there and find
that you are selling. Do you have the clothes that you are selling?
For this time I don't have.
What about those that these plastics?
Those clothes is for me to wearing.
Oh, so right now you don't have that. You are the ones that you are selling.
Yeah, I don't have one. This is for me to wear.
Okay.
Yeah, I must go for that.
Yeah, that's what we all want. You have to go forward.
Yes.
Forward ever.
Yes.
Backward never, Mr. Gaffa.
Yes. May God there.
So what are you cooking today? For dinner. For dinner.
Dinner.
What are you cooking for dinner today?
Today things are down.
So you're not cooking?
I'm not cooking in the mill. I don't have go to Chigali. I got mill.
You didn't go to Chigali?
Yeah, I got maize.
Oh, you've got maize only?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can just buy bread with the bondies?
Yeah, I buy bread.
And eggs?
Yeah.
Then you eat?
Yeah. And drink.
Okay. What about your girlfriend? How is she?
My girlfriend is there. My girlfriend is in Magaba there.
How is she doing?
He's working.
She's working?
He's working. He's a fire girl. Fire girl.
What do you mean by fire girl?
Fire girl. People who rekisa kizito.
I can't understand you.
You can't understand me. Who rekisa ki clothes.
So these days is she giving you lula lula?
Lula Lula is saying to me, come and lobola and go and give my mother and my father. When you make like that, I give you everything you need.
Oh, you have to pay lobola first.
Lobola first.
But nowadays, lula first, yeah, to most of the girls.
Yeah.
That what is happening? What is happening nowadays? You have to get lula first, and then you pay lobola.
I'm trying.
That's what you should do, man.
Is that it? Huh?
Yes.
I must.
You have to get lula first.
Lula first. And organize the lobola.
Yeah. So, yeah, but Gaffa, hey, your room is messed up. You're not cleaning the room.
I want to clean this time much.
Look at this stuff.
I want to clean it. I got more stresses, man.
You got stress?
I'm stressed.
Why are you stressed?
There is no job. When I woke up early in the morning to go there to Magaba to get money, I can't find it, man. It's going to give me stresses.
Are you still working for your boss that you have told me about some time ago?
I'm not working for that. That boss, there is no money there. Giving me 2 cents. I can't make anything with the 2 cents. I leave him alone.
Oh, you. So right now, who are you working with?
This time, I'm working in kitchen.
What are you doing in kitchen?
Kitchen to go and take water for cooking.
Okay.
For
In Magaba.
drinking.
In
In
Magaba.
Magaba.
Okay. So you are no longer working for that that stingy boss.
Yeah, that one is stingy.
Yeah. I can see that things are tough.
Things are tight.
Yeah, but soon it will be better.
In God we trust.
How far with the police in Magaba?
Police is coming.
Every day?
Early in the morning, police is coming, spraying tear gas.
All you can do is to run away.
Yeah.
And come back after they...
Come back when they are going.
When they are gone?
Yeah.
Hey.
Things are tight.
Yeah, I can see that.
I want to sleep now.
You want to sleep?
Because of stresses.
It's okay, Mr. Gaffa. Thanks very much for your time.
Volan. May God bless you.
It's okay, Mr. Gaffa.
Oh, yo.